So guys, I was trying to play League of Legends but I'm getting error code PyC. Now what's the reason I'm getting League of Legends error code PyC? Let's check it out. We have got some solutions on what can you do and what can you not do and how to fix this error. So let's get right into it. And most importantly, we'll be also going to discuss the latest update as far as what League of Legends has to say. So let's get right into it. So guys, first thing first, I was checking out whether the League of Legends is down. So I was checking out the down detector, and here you can see guys, League of Legends is having some issues currently, and there are 1833 outage reports as of right now. I'm doing this video, and particularly in Philippines, Spain, Germany and France, this League of Legends is down right now. Particularly the error is with the server connection, gameplay and the connection as well. As far as I can see guys, many people from Paris, France and Bordeaux, these group of people are reporting that there is a major outage for the League of Legends. And I was checking out the Twitter whether this error is occurring to me or everybody else in the world, and here you can see this fellow has tweeted out to Riot support, is League TFT having issue? I have got level 275 account. I play on daily basis but looks like I have got all the skins force, but also I can't able to access my TFT pass and says I need to upgrade while I'm milestone 26. The error code PyC is sometimes showing up. Any ideas? So this fellow is clearly asking, and here you can see just 34 minutes ago a very recent tweet. So you can get the idea guys. Many people are reporting that error code PyC is occurring in the League of Legends. They can't able to access their skins, wards, chromus and many other things of such kind. Now as far as I can see, the League of Legends is having some major outage going on as of right now. So speaking of the exact schedule when the game will be back up and running, let's check out the League of Legends Twitter official page. Let's check out whether they have provided any update or not. And here you can see guys, just 3 hours ago Hot Tech, they have been updating into the game. This is one of the update. Now they have been doing couple of little updates into the game, but apart from that I don't see any sort of a update on when the game will be back up and running. So once I get any detailed update, I will keep you posted, but as of right now we'll just have to wait because you know what, everybody is facing the outage. So make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar signing out.